Redwood Credit Union offers a specialized financial tool known as the Visa Credit Builder Card, which is specifically engineered for those standing at a credit crossroads. Whether the goal is to establish a first-time credit history or to begin the long walk back from past financial mistakes, this card functions as a bridge toward better fiscal standing. The most immediate fact to consider is the interest rate structure, which is current as of February 1, 2026. For purchases and balance transfers, the variable annual percentage rate, or APR, ranges from 10.49% to 21%. If a person needs a cash advance, that APR sits between 13.49% and 21%. These rates are determined by creditworthiness, meaning those with more challenging histories will likely start at the higher end of that spectrum. One of the most striking aspects of this tool is the aggressive elimination of common industry fees that usually plague starter cards. There is no annual fee, which means it costs nothing just to have the card available in a wallet. Furthermore, there is no balance transfer fee and no cash advance fee. While interest on a cash advance will start to accrue immediately, the lack of an upfront transaction fee is incredibly rare in this space. Additionally, there is no over-the-limit fee, providing a safety net for those still learning to manage their credit utilization. Perhaps the most consumer-friendly feature is the absolute lack of a penalty APR. In the wider banking world, a single late payment can often trigger a permanent jump to a 29.99% interest rate, but Redwood Credit Union has opted out of that practice entirely. The card also provides an interest-free grace period of at least 25 days after the close of each billing cycle, provided the balance is paid in full. Even the penalties for mistakes are relatively mild compared to big box banks. A late payment carries a maximum fee of $15 and a return payment is capped at $22. For those looking for some small benefit for their spending, the card even includes access to the Redwood Rewards program with a $0 program fee. This makes it a utility-focused card that still offers a bit of a bonus for everyday use. However, no financial product is without its drawbacks. The primary concern is the variable nature of the interest rates. Because these rates are tied to the prime rate, the cost of carrying a balance can shift month to month based on market conditions, which makes long-term budgeting slightly more unpredictable. There is also a 1% foreign transaction fee. While this is lower than the 3% standard found elsewhere, it still adds a surcharge to any international purchases or travel. Furthermore, the very best interest rates are reserved for those who already have solid credit, which creates a bit of a paradox for a credit-building applicant who will likely be assigned a rate closer to the 21% mark. This card is an ideal fit for a credit novice or someone needing a low-risk environment to prove their reliability. It serves as an excellent safety net because it costs nothing to maintain when not in use. On the other hand, it is likely not the right choice for frequent international travelers who could find cards with zero foreign transaction fees, or for those seeking luxury perks like airport lounge access or high-end travel insurance. It is a straightforward, honest utility tool. The design of the card suggests that the credit union is genuinely interested in the user's success rather than profiting from their errors. By stripping away predatory fees like annual charges and balance transfer costs, it allows the user to focus entirely on their repayment habits. To summarize the situation, the Redwood Credit Union Visa Credit Builder is a highly pro-consumer option that removes many of the traditional barriers to entry for credit repair. It is a safe, low-fee environment for financial growth. However, users must remain mindful of the risks. The interest rates are variable and can increase with the market, and while the late fees are low at $15, any late payment will still negatively impact the credit score the user is trying to build. Frequent late payments or carrying a high balance at a 21% APR can quickly become a heavy financial burden if not managed with extreme discipline.